Are you looking for a light bulb that is germicidal? A bulb that can safely be used in your home and can fight airborne germs, bacteria, and odors upon contact. Introducing the Sylvania Light Shield A19 Germicidal LED light bulb. Let's open the box and see what's inside. There are 4 light bulbs inside. The Sylvania Light Shield is a nice-looking bulb that provides 800 lumens of soft white light, quite similar to a 60-watt incandescent. Sylvania has effectively combated this problem with the new Sylvania Light Shield Germicidal A19 LED light lamp, a revolutionary LED light bulb. They are made to fight off germs and bacteria which can cause you to get sick. Delivers 2700 Kelvin of soft white light temperature which creates a soft glow in the room. It reduces energy consumption by 8.5 watts and offers UVC protection. They are made from 100% recyclable materials and meet Energy Star 5.0 standards for energy efficiency. They are also dimmable, so you can set the brightness level to whatever you want, and they don't generate heat like an incandescent bulb would, so you don't have to worry about turning up the AC. If you're sick of the flu and want something to fight off those germs before you catch it, this is what I recommend. Overall, the Sylvania Light Shield A19 Germicidal LED light bulb is a great product for killing germs and bacteria in and around the home and will definitely complement your germ-fighting arsenal. If you want to pick up this bulb for yourself, click the links below. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.